everybody! I'm here today to show you how to replace a toilet seat. In this video, I'll be going over the basic steps for easily, quickly, and effectively replacing a toilet seat. Let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is a toilet seat. It's going to likely have two parts. It's going to have the main part right here that sits on top of the bowl. Then it's going to have the cover just like that. There are many different materials that toilet seats can be made of. You know, you got some plastic ones like this one over here that are a bit light, and then you have some heavier ones like this one right here that are a little bit heavier. This is going to be very similar for any material because they all go in the same weight basically. Alright, let's get right into the video. If you take a look right over here, you can see, and sorry if I keep looking over there, my foot is like a few inches away from like a huge spider. So I just want to make sure it's not going to crawl up on my face or anything in the video. If you take a look over here, you can see that there's actually a sort of like almost like a screw in place, and there's actually going to be something that holds it in place. Now, you can get a screw head and you know, unscrew it over here at the top, but the easiest place is to just take this part right here and unscrew this with your hands. Now, in some of these, there's going to be like a little tab that prevents it from turning. At that point, you can unscrew from the top as well. But at the end of the day, this piece right here that I am unscrewing has to come apart from the piece that goes on top of the toilet. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a minute. You can see I'm working it out right here, just like that. Now I'm basically holding the edge of the bolt with one finger and just turning this with the other finger. We are almost completely off. So you want to do this on this side over here. Okay, as you can see, just like that. So I'll give you an idea of what it looks like, just because it's kind of hard to understand when I'm explaining it. But what it is this little piece right here, okay, goes on top of this piece, this bolt right here, goes around that. So I've done that on that side. Should have done this at the same time that I was talking, because I could do two at once, like that. But anyways, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm going to use two hands just to do this a little bit faster. But basically what I'm doing is I'm just unscrewing both of those. And it's so easy to replace the toilet seat. Like any homeowner. Oh, the spider's getting close. Easy, tiger. Easy. No. Oh, sorry. It's a little bit scary for me. I'm not scared of spiders, but I mean, I really don't like them crawling up on me. It's not really what I envisioned for today holding. All right, so there's the other one. So guess what? Now the toilet seat can basically just be freely moved and removed. So I can take it and literally just lift it right out, okay? Now as you can see right here, I don't want to lose those washers. I've actually removed the toilet seat, okay? And there's two washers that most likely will be sitting on there. So what I like to do is I like to take them off and just reset them properly after. So when you've removed your old toilet seat, you're going to replace it with a new toilet seat. Now, I don't need a new toilet seat here. I actually replaced this very recently with this one. But the process is going to be as follows. You're going to take your new toilet seat. You're going to want to put the washers on. And not every single toilet seat will have washers, but they should. Because when you tighten it up, you don't want to crack the porcelain. So you're going to put the washers on. Whoop, see, they're so easy to lose. You're going to put the washers on, just like that, through the bolts right there. You're going to take your new toilet seat. Whoop, we're almost going to crack the bowl here. Basically, we're going to take our new toilet seat. We're going to put it in place, and we're going to make sure we're holding those washers in place, and we're going to just basically get those bolts and put them inside of the two holes on the top of the bowl. So there's two holes right there on top of the toilet bowl. I put them in there. I mean, you don't really need to see it, but you know what? We'll get the camera. We'll show you anyways. There's basically just two holes. One is going to be right here, and one is going to be right here. Okay, if you can see that, if I pull it up just a little bit, there's like a hole right there that it goes into. Okay, so now when you have those in there, what you want to do now is essentially the opposite of what you did when we first removed it. You want to take that little screw type thing, I don't even know what the name is after all these years, and you want to turn it on, and you're going to get it on the bolt like that. You're probably going to have to put some pressure here to make sure the bolt doesn't spin, and you might even have to hold the bolt itself, but you want to just tighten it up nice and tight. I mean, these are plastic. If you have metal ones, you don't want to go extremely tight, because then you risk cracking the bolt. But these are plastic, so you can really tighten them up. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just literally taking that screw type thingamajig, and we're going to just screw it on, tighten it up all the way to the top. just going to finish up and show you how secure the toilet seat should be. So now I've tightened it up. It's all nice and tight on the top. Almost there. We're almost there. Now we've tightened it up. And basically what you're looking for is you want your you want your toilet seat, there it goes, really secure. You want your toilet seat to not move, right? Like barely at all. I mean, there's gonna be a little bit of movement because we're not talking about like wood framing here or something where it's gotta be like as secure as a wall. You want it to move a little bit or else it might crack, okay? But just a little bit. You don't wanna go sit on the toilet and whoa, the toilet seat just slides right off. So you want a little bit of movement, a little bit of flex, okay? But not a ton, right? Just look at this, look. I'll do just a little bit. And that's it. That is how to replace a toilet seat easily. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.